Morning everyone, the 3M-3 is in Porto de Galinhas today.
Today is Buggy Day in Porto de Galinhas. We got a buggy. We're going to visit several beaches throughout the day, including Porto de Galinhas beach itself, where there's the Jangada boat tour, which is where we are right now. Check this out. You take one of the colorful jangadas on the beach and sail peacefully for about 5 minutes to the natural pools in the area. You'll come across a lot of fish there. Mainly the sergeant fish, a white fish with black and yellow stripes we call the brother fish because it's very friendly and always stays with us. But the tour was just getting started. Our friend Fola, the buggy driver who knows everyone locally, even introduced us to the delicious articum fruit that grows nearby. He also took us to Cupe Beach, where we found more fish, bro, and even had some excellent snacks at Pontal do Cupe. But we had no idea that it would be at Maracaípe Beach, where we'd have the most intense experience of the trip. I'm here with Sergio the Flyer, and he's going to show us something cool. Sergio, what will you do?
I'm going to show Porto de Galinhas from above. Fantastic views, little explanation needed, just lots of emotions and pure awesomeness.
We're going to see that now.
Okay.
Paramotor flight lasts about 15 minutes covering Maracaípe Beach from end to end. Look, you'll have views like this here. Not bad, huh? Think it's over? Not at all. Look where the leaf took us, right after we said goodbye to Sergio. Behind me is the Seahorse Walk, still in Maracaípe. Here you'll take another raft, but this time to sail along the Maracaípe River. In the mangrove areas, you'll find the beautiful seahorses where they are caught. Raftmen carefully handle glass jars, then return them to the water soon after. The raftmen give a great lesson about seahorses and other animals found there as well. They then take us to the amazing Pontal de Maracaípe to spend some time. A great way to end your day.
One of your days in Porto Galinhas, you have to wake up really early and come here to Carneiros beach. Take a look at this, clear water, just palm trees all around. The beach is all yours.
Lucky Receptivo took us there really early so we could enjoy the beautiful natural pools in the area. Within hours, the tide rises and they vanish. We also took the Catamaran tour, where the first stop is at the sandbanks, where you can stand in the middle of the sea. We then landed at Guadalupe Beach, known for its famous clay bath. Just grab some from the buckets scattered around. Finally, we passed the charming St. Benedict Church, Carneiros Beach's patron, before returning to the reception. On day 3, Lucky gave us a tour of Olinda. The first stop was at the Cuatro Cantos area, famous for its street carnival. We also got to visit the São Bento Monastery. the Ribera Market, a handicraft center where you can see famous Olinda dolls. And the Say Cathedral.
If you want to have the best view of Olinda, just go up to the Caixa d'Água lookout, which is right in front of the Say Church. Take a look at the view from here.
Go inside the church to see what's at the back. There's this view. Ah, wait, that's not all yet. On the same day, we managed to go to Recife.
That's awesome, guys. Our time in Recife is short. So instead of trying to do a million things, we're just going to take a catamaran, go on a boat tour around here, and see the whole city skyline.
This catamaran tour is perfect for those short on time in Recife. Along the Capibaribe River, it passes by several historic sites, making a lot of noise when it goes under a bridge. We got off at Recife's Marco Zero, where our video guide introduced 3M3 to a glimpse of Pernambuco. Thank you everyone, and see you next time.
Now that you've decided to choose Porto de Galinhas as your next destination, make sure to choose Marulhos as your next place to stay as well. Here at Muro Alto Beach, just 15 minutes from Porto de Galinhas, you will be treated absolutely well. Take care everyone, and see you in the next 3 EM-3.